Hey, what's going on, guys? This is my second video. This one's actually focused on power supplies and, some of the things that I've used really on how to either provide portable power somewhere else located, away from a plug, or another way for me to do adjustable power as well. So first, I will admit that one of the things I'm going to show you, the next tool that I have or a piece of equipment, is the adjustable power supply. I love this thing. It makes life so much more simple, is really what it comes down to it. This one in particular shows the voltage, amps, and the watts. Evidently, watts you can calculate pretty easily just by doing voltage times amps. However, it does provide a quick reference for you. I've used many times in the past these 12 volt. I think these are NiCad batteries. I actually don't know. This is actually used for a Power Wheels go-kart or whatever, Power Wheels cart, whatever you want to call it. This one's evidently wired up to act as in series. So this one's 24 volts, and they're originally 12. Two of them in series gets you out to 24 volts. And this is actually just a little test article that I use. I wanted to at least show you guys the utility that I have, or the utility that you can use from using these. So first I'll show you the adjustable power supply, which by far is the easiest method to do portable power, essentially, right? You can see that the motor is wired up over there with the alligator clips coming off of the power supply. Adjustable voltage, you can see right here, so I'll adjust it. And it will eventually clip because I have the amps too low. So I'll have to adjust the amps. And maybe I'm lying. Locked? Something's clipping there. Now I don't know what it is. Adjustable voltage. Oh, duh. It's this one down here. Something's burning. I smell it. Uh-oh. Wonder if I fried it. Fried something. This is always fun. Doing it live, folks. Doing it live. Oh, let's see. Did I get the polarity wrong? How embarrassing. This motor is locked for some reason. Yep, I can't turn it at all. Something in there is locked. So it was working just a minute ago, and now I feel embarrassed. But it's not working right now. So let me see if I can find another test article to use. And so let's turn it off. All right, seem to get it working now. Let's see. And now it didn't work again. Damn it. I think I fixed it for the third time. Let's see. Nope. There we go. And you can see as you adjust the speed, enough of that. No more jinxing it. So, like I said, there's a great advantage to being able to use the adjustable power supply. There is one limitation, as always, right? It's attached to the wall, or plugged into the wall. So that's why I also do like these guys over here. Like I said earlier, each 12 volt batteries connected in series. I've already forgotten what I've said in an earlier part of the video. So I really like them though. About $30 a pop, so not terribly expensive. One of the other things I also mentioned earlier is sometimes you don't always have the power brick or the power cable that you need to have. So I've bought these in the past and used these guys in order to essentially supplement, not supplement, to substitute. If for whatever reason that I lost, the power converter, or I fried it, or, this part of the power converter is damaged, I match it up to whatever one's closest to it and see if I can roll with that, right? So I've used these before in the past. One of the other things that I've also used, is one of these like little 12 volt guys right here. This is just your standard cigarette lighter, standard connection in the back. I had to actually remember which one's which here. So white is ground, gray is positive. You know, so I've also done some troubleshooting. You know, this is just a standard lighter right here, or excuse me, phone charger. You know, runs out 12 volts, and you can do it like that, right? So there's many different ways, you know, to get power to whatever you need to get to. I've been fortunate, I guess, in terms of not running into too many issues where I couldn't find the right connector or anything like that. I have had to in the past unsolder DC jacks and solder a matching one that matches to this in order to get something working again. That's not very fun and not, you know, necessarily an introduction. One of the things I just pointed out, you know, is most people do have like a stack of these guys, right? Worst comes worst, if you break it, you break this part of the component, you know, you cut the wire, you connect to the adjustable power supply, and then you just match it to, let's see if we can, I can't seem to focus in. Yeah, it won't focus. This is 15 volt output, right? So just 15 volt DC. And match that, and you're able to get back in business. There's a litany of ways on how to power things. You know, there's just a few of the examples that I have. The adjustable power supply is an investment, right? This one I think was about $90 off Amazon. As always, right? Just do your reviews. I'm not here to push any products or any of the sort. But at the same time, you know, don't skimp out, right? There's some smaller ones, you know, make sure that you're getting one that has the right amperage that you need. So for example, the one that I showed you earlier is up to 10 amps. You know, I use that for my kids' Power Wheels. Those ones are 350 watt motors or up to 350 watt motors. So just get what you need. As always, investing up front will help you further down the line. Hope you found the video useful. I hope to see you guys again. Cheers.